Here we've got AMD on the weekly. You can see it had a real long decline, and was doing real well for quite some time there, but really has been doing nothing but selling off for quite some time. And then when the market really hit its low, it tried to recover here, and so far was doing good, but it's really been having a difficult time getting a great deal more than some of this prior swing here. Here you have prior important low here. This shows more resistance in the future, and it's really playing off of that, and that's important to watch out for. But if we were to take a look at this from on the daily, I think it could give a clear picture. But before we do, you always got to kind of keep in mind that when you have a very long decline in here, a lot of times people think that as soon as it starts to break over, it's recovered. And that's not what happens a lot of times. A lot of times it's kind of like a ball that, is bounced. It bounces, first time you bounce it, it's got the more strength, and the second time it loses that. And that's what you should think of kind of a lot of times when you see stock action. And here you're seeing it really just having a tough time breaking higher. Now, that doesn't mean it's not going to try to make another leg up here as it's trying to create a bottom here, and it is trying to create a bottom. It's just that it's going to be difficult road for it to do so, but so far it has done so. But there is a difficulty for it trying to do it, because it is you could see over the last several weeks it had quite a long decline overall. And that's normal for it to pull back here, but you really want to start to see the strength come in soon here. Let's look at the daily. Now, see on the daily, you can see that it's, I took the liberty of drawing a retracement from the main low here to the high, and you can see we're going through a normal corrective move. We broke through the 50-day, not a great thing, and we're under the 21-day, but we may be overextended on the short term and may try to bounce here and maybe come back into this 8.5 range. It does look like it's trying to clean up. It may be quite oversold here. Maybe the downside, you could even maybe see it come down to the 6, but I do think you're starting to see this get ready for the move back up. And if you want to follow our stock picks and know what's going on with this stock and others, and find our next breakout stock, sign up. Happy trading.